Welcome back to A's Wealth Builders, your go-to channel for turning business ideas into real, spendable profits. Listen, if you're in the United States, you've got this entrepreneurial spirit, and you're looking to start an online business that actually puts money in your pocket. You are in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the absolute best online businesses you can start right now. And the best part is, you can start most of these with zero experience and very little cash to invest. We're talking about getting your foot in the door and building something real. And guys, this isn't just another one of those generic lists of random ideas. I'm showing you real business models that are absolutely crushing it in 2025, why they work, and how you can get started today. No waiting around, no excuses. So grab a coffee, smash that like button, and let's jump right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the fastest way to start seeing money online. Freelance digital services. I'm talking about leveraging your existing skills, even something as simple as writing, video editing, graphic design, or managing social media. You can literally get paid right now to do this. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are absolutely packed with United States businesses who are desperate for talented freelancers. And these aren't small potatoes gigs, we're talking real businesses with real budgets. Think about it. Businesses need marketing materials, websites, social media content, the list goes on. And they're willing to pay good money for someone reliable to take care of it for them. You can literally set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. I've met freelancers making over $100 an hour just working from their laptops. No joke. Now you might be thinking, Xavier, I don't have any crazy tech skills. Listen, that's totally fine. There are tons of beginner-friendly services you can offer, like writing blog posts, creating simple graphics, or even managing email marketing. The key is to start small, build your portfolio, and watch your income grow. Here's the best part. Getting started is incredibly easy. Seriously, you can do this today. Step 1, head over to Upwork or Fiverr and create a profile. Highlight your skills even if you think they're basic. Step 2, start offering a service. It could be anything from writing product descriptions to creating simple social media posts. And boom, you're officially in business. No need for a fancy website, no inventory to manage, just you, your skills, and a laptop. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in complete control. You choose your clients, you set your rates, and you work when you want. It's the ultimate side hustle that can quickly turn into a full-time income stream. And the best part is, you're constantly learning and improving your skills, which means you can charge more over time. It's a win-win. Now, if you're looking for a business model that practically prints money while you sleep, then listen up, because Amazon FBA is your new best friend. We're talking about passive income, people. Amazon literally does all the heavy lifting for you. Storage, shipping, customer service, they handle it all. Your job? Find profitable products, get them to Amazon, and watch the profits roll in. Let me put this into perspective. The United States e-commerce market is worth trillions of dollars, and every single day, millions of products are being sold on Amazon. People are building 6- and even 7-figure businesses doing this, and the best part is, you can too. Now, I know what you're thinking. Xavier, isn't Amazon FBA super competitive? And yeah, there's definitely a learning curve. But here's the thing. With the right research and strategy, you can find profitable niches with less competition. So how do you get started? First, you need to find a product that has high demand but low competition. There are tons of tools out there to help you with this, like Jungle Scout, which lets you analyze product data and see what's selling well. Once you've found a winner, it's time to source your product. You can find suppliers on Alibaba, work with local manufacturers, or even connect with wholesalers. Once you have your product, you ship it directly to Amazon's warehouse, and they take care of the rest. They list it, they store it, they ship it when someone orders. It's that simple. Now, I'm not going to lie, it takes some work up front to research and source products, but the earning potential is absolutely massive. Imagine waking up to sales notifications every morning knowing that you're building a real, sustainable business that generates passive income. That's the power of Amazon FBA, and it's a game changer for anyone willing to put in the work. Alright, let's talk about a business model that's perfect for all you creatives out there. Print on demand. This is where you get to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, you name it, without ever having to touch any inventory. That's right, no more packing boxes in your basement. Websites like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle all the printing, shipping, and even customer service for you. Your job? Focus on what you do best, designing awesome products and marketing them to the right people. Think about it, people love unique apparel, funny slogans and niche designs that speak to their interests. And with print on demand, you can tap into that massive market without any upfront costs. If you can create a cool design, you can start making serious money. Getting started is easier than you think. First, sign up for a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. Next, start creating your designs. You don't need to be a graphic design wizard to do this. You can use free tools like Canva, which has tons of templates and elements to get you started. Once you have some designs ready to go, list your products on your chosen platform, start promoting them on social media, and watch the orders come in. I know people who started with zero upfront costs and now make thousands of dollars every single month just from selling t-shirts. It's incredible. The best part is you can constantly experiment with new designs and products to see what resonates with your audience. You can even create limited edition runs or offer custom designs to really stand out from the crowd. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about the king of passive income streams, affiliate marketing. This is a business model where you don't need your own product, you don't have to deal with customer service, and you can literally make money while you sleep. It's all about recommending products you love and getting paid a commission when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. For example, let's say you're a tech geek. You love trying out the latest gadgets and sharing your thoughts with the world. With affiliate marketing, you could start a blog or a YouTube channel where you review laptops, gaming gear, phones, you name it. Every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can partner with massive companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale, which have millions of products you can promote. This means you have a virtually unlimited inventory to choose from, and you can find products that perfectly align with your interests and audience. Getting started with affiliate marketing is surprisingly simple. First, you need to choose a niche. This could be anything from tech and fitness to finance, travel, or even pet products. The key is to pick something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Once you have your niche, it's time to sign up for an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, as they have a massive selection of products and a very user-friendly platform. Once you're all set up, it's time to start promoting your affiliate links. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, email marketing. The possibilities are endless. The key is to create valuable content that educates your audience and helps them make informed purchasing decisions. Affiliate marketing is one of the best long-term online businesses you can start right now. It's low cost, low risk, and has the potential to generate significant passive income over time. Here's a fact that might surprise you. People are willing to pay a premium for valuable knowledge and expertise. That's right. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to build a successful online coaching or consulting business. Whether you're passionate about fitness, personal finance, business strategy, or even dating advice, there are thousands of people out there who are actively searching for guidance and support. And guess what? They're willing to pay for it. The beauty of online coaching is that you can leverage your existing skills and experience to help others achieve their goals. You don't need to be a world-renowned expert, you just need to be a few steps ahead of your clients and passionate about helping them succeed. So how do you get started? First, identify your area of expertise. What are you good at? What do people come to you for advice on? Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, it's time to start offering your services. One of the easiest ways to get started is by offering one-on-one coaching calls via Zoom or Skype. This allows you to connect with clients all over the world and provide personalized guidance and support. You can also create online courses, workshops, or even membership sites to scale your business and reach a wider audience. To attract clients, start by building your online presence. Create a professional website or landing page that showcases your expertise and services. You can also leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube to share valuable content, connect with potential clients, and build your brand. Coaching and consulting is a high-ticket business model, which means you can charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per client. This allows you to generate significant income while making a real difference in the lives of others. Alright guys, I've given you 5 incredible online business ideas that are thriving in the US right now. So, quick question for you, which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. and I'll personally reply with some extra tips to help you get started. The reason these businesses work so well in the US is simple. Americans are spending billions of dollars online every single year. Businesses are desperate for talented freelancers. Consumers are craving unique products. People are hungry for knowledge and eager to learn online. The market is absolutely massive, and the opportunity is there for anyone who's willing to take action. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button so YouTube knows to share this with more future entrepreneurs. And if you want more step-by-step strategies to build real wealth online, make sure you subscribe to As Wealth Builders. I drop powerful money-making videos every single week. And hey, don't stop here. Check out this next video where I break down the exact steps to launch your online business from scratch.